In this video, let's see how to complete a KPI collection task from the Source-to-Pay Workspace. Select All from the navigation bar. Search for Supplier Lifecycle Operations. And select Source-to-Pay Workspace. Select the list icon. Navigate to Performance Management. And then select KPIs. Select a KPI to view its associated tasks. Navigate to the Tasks tab. And select the task that you want to complete. If the requested KPI data is quantitative, enter a numerical value in the Quantitative KPI Value field. If the requested KPI data is qualitative, select a value from the Qualitative KPI Value drop-down list. If the KPI value isn't available, select the checkbox for KPI Value is not available. Select the Complete Task button to mark the task as completed.